Today's skincare advances mean that your skin doesn't even have to come close to looking its actual age. But not everything out there works for everyone. Well, today I'm going to be giving you some science-backed ways to keep your skin firm and youthful looking as we get older. So keep on watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, skincare expert, and I'm going to be using my 35 years of expertise to help you get skincare that will work for you, not into your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. Now, if you're over 30, things like fine lines and wrinkles, loose and sagging skin begin to become pretty much a commonplace thing on your mind. And truly, today there are so many products and treatments out there. It really is a skincare conundrum to know what will actually work and what it's for. And the loss of that youthful definition can actually happen just about anywhere on the body. Now, sagging and loose skin is caused by several factors, in particular thinning of the dermis, the outer layer of your skin, and collagen loss. Collagen happens to be the most abundant protein in our body, and it kind of holds everything together. Bones, joints, you just name a tissue in the body and collagen is involved. So obviously, skin being the largest organ has the most collagen. But as we get older, collagen becomes less for a variety of factors. We produce less of it. Things like accumulated sun damage, lifestyle choices, diet, and many other factors all affect collagen production in your skin. Then there are all the years of sun exposure, and sun exposure plays a huge role in premature aging. It just does. You have to protect your skin from the damaging effects of UVA and UVB light because it accumulates over a lifetime. A recent study that I just reviewed that included 298 Caucasian women ages 30 to 78 found that 80% of the visible signs of skin aging on the face were due to accumulated sun damage. And all those years of accumulated sun exposure do things like thin out the outer layer of your skin or the epidermis, also speed up the breakdown of collagen production, mess up the DNA in your skin cells so that they produce weaker and weaker cells, making us look older. And then of course we know about photoaging and all of the other things that go along with that. So wear your sunscreen. I'm 58 years old and I've been using sunscreen religiously, very disciplined about this since I was in my early 20s. And as you can see for yourself, the benefits for me and my skin have been just major. So let's talk about science-backed ways to combat the signs of aging, and no, that doesn't mean it always has to happen in the doctor's office. Skin hydrating and firming creams. Now, good formulations of these are going to be able to help tighten up loose skin. They're going to have a positive effect on things like cellulite and really provide super hydration, which when we're talking about visible signs of aging, constant hydration is key. So we want to look for ingredients in these formulations like hyaluronic acid, like peptides, like glycerin, like ceramides. Ceramides particularly help improve and repair your lipid barrier, which is very important for keeping in moisture and stopping epidermal moisture loss or evaporation of moisture from your skin. So these kind of creams can really help the surface layers of the skin look better and actually help the skin heal and repair the layers just below so that the skin that comes to the surface later on looks better and better. If you're combating hyperpigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, things like retinol and collagen peptide formulations can really make a big difference. Retinol being still the king, queen of all topical skincare ingredients that help combat the signs of aging, fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and texture of the skin, but also helping to improve that collagen production in the skin, leading to a much more youthful look over time. Then there are facial exercises or facial yoga, which I am a big proponent of and practicer of myself. Literally, if you're looking for a non-surgical, non-invasive facelift, facial yoga is the way to go. It helps tone and tighten the muscles under the skin, making it firmer. It helps lift all of that skin along the jawline. It replaces bone loss that naturally happens over time. So we replace some of that bone loss with muscle gain, keeping that youthful tone and look to our face, improving circulation, which makes our skin healthier, and helping to drain away that puffiness or lymph fluid that tends to gather in our face when we sleep. Facial exercises, amazing. I've been doing them for so long, learned them from my own grandmother. I've had several videos on facial yoga. If you haven't seen those, I will link to those below. in the video description box for you today, along with products that I recommend for those serums and facial creams. You'll be able to check all of that out after we're done. So what about taking supplements? Well, there are supplements that work very well for the skin. I use a collagen peptide powder myself. Now, collagen peptides are not collagen. They are the building blocks of collagen. They are actually amino acids that your body uses to form the substance we call collagen. So it's not putting collagen in your body, it's helping your body have something bioavailable to use to help boost its own collagen production, and the stuff works. Studies are coming out one after the other proving this. I've talked about this many times on the channel, so I won't bore you guys that follow me with it, but suffice it to say, my own experience after testing them a year and a half ago, I'm still taking them. Great for skin hydration, great for skin firmness and plumpness, and you just feel better overall. Numerous medical studies that talk about how they help improve joint health. But of course, skin, hair, and nails, which is what we're talking about today on my channel, all benefit from the implementation of collagen peptides. You can take them by powder, pill, or tablet, and also even gummies. Also, making sure you're getting enough vitamin C in your diet, making sure you get that recommended daily allowance, if not a little bit more, because vitamin C plays an integral role in your body in making sure your cells stay healthy, fighting off free radicals and damage, keeping everything in your body, including your skin, at its premium, most optimum healthy level. Can't emphasize that enough. We talk about vitamin C topicals for the skin all the time. Those are great. That's all in the skincare routine. But for supplementation, it's very important vitamin C be there. And also making sure you're getting enough of those other minerals like zinc, magnesium, also copper as a nutrient, and vitamin K2 along with D3. Just make sure that your diet is reasonably balanced, that it leans more towards leafy greens and vegetables so that you get these naturally. But if you're in a situation where you think that you may need to go get tested to see if you're deficient in something, it can really make a difference in your health and the health of your skin by supplementing what's missing. Beyond these simple things that you can do, there are cosmetic procedures, obviously chemical peels, which again, I'm a proponent of. There are 3 levels of peels we typically talk about in skincare. First being the light peel, which is like glycolic acid, lactic acid peels, where we're removing just the very outer layer of dead skin cells. It's really not a peel where skin's gonna peel off per se, but it speeds up cellular turnover and makes your skin look brighter, more even, and it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Then there are the medium level peels that are done in a practitioner's office, should not be done at home. These are higher level acid peels that actually remove the very surface of the skin. They're great for light acne scarring and marks, hyperpigmentation, also obviously for fine lines and wrinkles. And then there are the deeper peels that must be done by a certified practitioner or dermatologist. These remove a significant amount of skin. It's like a reset, takes a significant amount of layers of skin off of the face or the area of the body being treated, which there's downtime. You have to heal, takes several weeks. You got to be sure you protect the skin from infection. So really it needs to be done professionally. But if you have deep lines and wrinkles or very thick textured skin or a lot of sun damage, a controlled deep skin peel can really make a difference in the look of your skin. Then there are laser resurfacing treatments that can actually, again, take off the outer layers of skin. Your results are not immediate. They can be a little bit costly, but they can give your skin a reset over time. Laser resurfacing sessions can completely change the texture and look of the skin, helping to reduce and remove fine lines and wrinkles, particularly around the outer edges of the eyes, crow's feet, and deep furrow browns on the forehead. So a really great option if it's right for you. And then if you're looking for really a heavy duty lifting of the skin, you've got a lot of sagging, a lot of looseness, there is the ultrasound therapies. Now these therapies are in particularly good for the face and the neck. Ultrasound helps encourage collagen production at the deeper levels of the skin by warming those cells, kind of turning on that machine, and over time can make a significant difference in sagging and tightening and just an overall robust look to the skin. Again, great for the face and the neck, especially under the chin and the upper chest. Makes a big, big difference. So what about other areas of the body like the arms and the legs and the abdomen? Well, guess what? Exercise here is going to be your best friend. Now, some of these therapies will apply, especially to the abdomen area. However, I've been exercising most of my life, and you see that I don't have any of that loose skin issue. I don't have that. And for myself, I contribute that to keeping my weight stable over the years, taking it off if it starts to creep up, and making sure that I stay physically fit. Now, I'm not a marathon runner. I'm not an athlete by any means, but I do work out regularly, and I do make sure I get at least an hour or two of physical activity up on my feet every single day. I wear this smartwatch that tells me to get up off my arse if I've been sitting too long. And when you do YouTube and editing, you can sit for a really long time. But the bottom line, important thing you need to take away from this is that exercise can make such a big difference, not in just how your skin looks and stays tight, but how you feel overall. Because one of the things we see most often in people that have skin issues is a lack of good superficial circulation. You gotta get that blood pumping. It's gotta get to those capillaries, taking oxygen and nutrients and removing those dead skin cells that need to go away, keeping you, your body, and your skin looking amazing. And for more of my ways to reduce facial aging, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, and I will see you over on the next video.